Good morning, Hampton Roads. Just a quick meteorology thing happening with this particular storm. Question marks about snowfall accumulations, as there always are in systems. How much snow does the metro area get Saturday afternoon and evening? Yeah, I know the flakes on. Depends which model you believe. Model number one, this is what we call the NAM. This system only 60 miles offshore. It's and very strong. That would argue for a strong north-northwest wind around it, and with it that close, heavy precipitation late afternoon, evening, and that would add up to 4 or 5 inches of snow even on the south side, if that model verifies. The other one, the GFS, normally a little more accurate in these times, but that one has a storm about 130 miles east-northeast of us. That would mean lighter precipitation is going to be in here when we have enough cold air, and that would argue for a trace to an inch. So it really depends on which one you believe out of these. All right, outside right now, clouds are rolling in. We'll call it partly cloudy. Temperatures are running in the 20s inland, low to mid-30s right near the immediate shore. As we look at the satellite picture, you can see the clouds coming our way. Area of low pressure near New Orleans right now, traveling across the Gulf, and that is going to be heading right up the coast. Cold high pressure continues to pump in the cold weather. And as we look at radar, you can see all of the rain at this point. But remember, this is going to be moving into some much colder weather across our region. This storm's going to be a big, quick nor'easter. Winds later tonight, tomorrow evening, gusting 40 to 50 miles an hour near the shore. That's going to create some coastal flooding, minor to moderate in nature, nothing like the November storm. So that coastal flood watch is in effect. We also have winter storm watches and warnings right in here, Middle Peninsula, northern eastern shore, far inland spots under winter storm watch. Okay, so those areas, the question mark is how much snow they get. You head up towards central Virginia and the northern neck under winter storm warnings for this event. So as you look at future track, it shows the precipitation arriving toward the evening hours. I think this is too slow. I think the rain will be getting here by mid-afternoon. That could see some flakes mixed in. But as you head into tonight, primarily rain, south side, eastern peninsula. There'll be a mix up toward the shore, western peninsula, snow from the northern neck toward the Richmond area, heavy at times. Watch tomorrow, the same thing through the morning hours. Rain heavy at times, which we don't need. High winds. And then notice toward the afternoon hours how we're going to see a switch over eventually to snow. How much? A trace to 3 inches from Virginia Beach into Carolina. I'm doing 1 to 5 inches. I know that's a big spread there, but it depends on the strength of the low and how close it is to the coast. 1 to 5 for Norfolk, Chesapeake, Suffolk, and into Portsmouth, including Hampton. Western Newport News out toward Wakefield. I'm doing 3 to 6, including the Middle Peninsula, northern part of the eastern shore. Far northwest fringes could see 6 to 12. 12 to 18 toward Richmond and points north and west. Wow. Wow. Don't head up there unless you want to see it. Get a hotel and watch it snow. So 42 today. Rain breaks out later this afternoon with a flake mixed in tonight. Rain heavy at times. Rain tomorrow, changing to snow as the afternoon progresses from west to east. The snow will continue tomorrow night, but it'll be out of here by Sunday morning. Notice those highs on Saturday. Of course, temperatures will be falling in the afternoon as that switchover begins. All right, that's the forecast. More on that Snow Hope Index by region coming up. But right now, Cheryl with traffic.
Okay. I just think you'd be more excited about this, John, like jumping up and down.
Well, I know, but only a couple inches where, you know, I live. So,
all right, that's fine. It's all about you. Yeah. All right, talking about your morning commute on this Friday morning. Actually, not looking